his own words, How J. Edgar Hoover Directed the FBI Through Marginalia by Dr. Dirk Gibson is a well-written look into the realities and myths that surround J. Edgar Hoover, especially during his tenure as head of the FBI. This book blends elements of a biography as well as a historical investigation to tell the story of how Hoover behaved and led the FBI. It is a well-researched look at the internal workings of the FBI and Hoover as a man. The author is incredibly thorough and addresses everything from Hoover's sexuality to racism and favors in the system. It provides a very encompassing assessment of both Hoover and the success and failures of the FBI. In his own words, written by Dirk Cameron Gibson,